You may know Black Canary from DC Comics, but who is she in Smallville? Enter Dinah Lance, journalist by day, vigilante by night. First appearing in Season 7, she works for Lex Luthor at first, thinking he's a good guy, but when she learns the truth, she joins forces with Green Arrow and Clark Kent. What sets Black Canary apart? It's that iconic sonic scream, a devastating weapon that can shatter objects and bring enemies to their knees. She's also a master martial artist, making her a powerhouse in any fight. In Smallville, she's not just muscle, she's a key member of Oliver Queen's Justice League, standing shoulder to shoulder with heroes like Clark Kent. What's your favorite Black Canary moment in Smallville? Drop a comment.